I'm going to teach a few orienteering skills. First, I'm going to go over on how to figure out your pace. To figure out your pace, you're going to need to mark out a 100-meter distance, and you're going to walk that 100-meter distance and count every left step. So if you start with your right foot, it'd be 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and so on. You count every left step 100 meters, and that's your pace. Or you can do it, if you don't have that much time, you could do 50 meters and then multiply your pace times 2 to get the distance in 100 meters. So let's just say I took 60 steps in 100 meters, so 60 would be your pace. Okay, to figure out a coordinate and where you want to go, like if they just give you the meters, you want to do the meters given divided by 100 times your pace. So say I was given 30 meters, you would divide that by 100 and multiply it times your pace, and that's how many steps you have to take to get to this coordinate using your compass. So now we'll go over how to use the compass. To use the compass, you open this up and you can put your thumb through this, and you want the notch lined up. You can use the magnifying glass and this notch. You look through it to find your coordinate. You can move the compass all different ways, north, south, east, and west, to find your coordinate. And you just look through it, through the notch, and find where you want to go. So if you were given 120 degrees and it takes 30 paces to get there, you would find 120 degrees on your compass, whichever way that might be, and you would take 30 steps towards that direction to get to your destination. So now we're going to go over on how to use the map. To use a map, you're always going to have ET or ES before the coordinates. ET means Echo Tango and ES means Echo Sierra. ET is always above 0 degrees and ES is always below 0 degrees. So if you were given ET 2500 and 2600, to find that on the map, you would know that'd be above 0 because it says ET before. And the important coordinates are the first 2 numbers in each X and Y. You really don't have to worry about these numbers too much unless you want to get real specific. But just to find it on the map, you just need to use the first 2 numbers. So if I have 2500, I'm going to just worry about the 25, and I'm going to find that on the X-axis, which would be right here. And then 26 on the X-axis would be right here. And this is where your destination would be. And that's a few orienteering skills.